Across the globe, environmental issues dominate today's headlines. In response, nations, companies, and everyday people are changing the way we do things to help preserve and protect our world for the future. I'm Greg Gumbel. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to our planet. Innovations in clean energy technology are transforming the world. In this story, we'll focus on the cutting edge of going green.
The air we breathe is actually made up of a number of gases. These gases get separated into essential elements within our lungs and those of other living creatures that rely on air to live. Pure forms of gas have many other uses in our everyday lives, including applications in healthcare, food processing, energy production, and electronics. Man learned to liquefy air gases on an industrial level at the beginning of the 20th century. 1902 saw the founding of the first organization to commercialize the process of separating air and bring it into our everyday lives as we see today.
Air Liquide is the world leader in gases for industry, health, and the environment. With 43,000 employees and operations in 76 countries, Air Liquide supplies pure forms of air gases and other products to over 1 million customers worldwide. For example, we take the air that we breathe and separate the oxygen, nitrogen, and other rare gases. We supply these molecules to industry and to healthcare institutions for a wide array of uses that improve our lives, enable progress, and benefit the environment.
Pure oxygen is critically needed to treat patients in hospitals as well as in their homes. Gases are also used in the making of many products we take for granted on a daily basis. Without them, sparkling beverages would not fizz, or light bulbs wouldn't be as bright or efficient. The packaged food we eat is also often preserved by a protective atmosphere of beneficial gases inside the package called Modified Atmosphere Packaging, or MAP. When food comes in contact with air, its look, taste, and composition can be affected. MAP gases are used to replace the air inside the packaging to keep foods fresher, tastier, and more appealing. The solutions to these and many other manufacturing challenges are supplied in the form of pure and blended gases.
At Air Liquide, we use gases, and we develop technology and know-how to address some of the key challenges facing our planet. We develop innovative technologies to reduce energy usage, conserve our natural resources, and develop energies for tomorrow.
Gases are used in the manufacture of polyurethane and polycarbonates, from which many of our everyday objects are made. Oxygen is used to make combustion and manufacturing processes more energy efficient and cleaner, notably in the making of glass and steel. Oxygen is also used to safely treat and purify water.
These pure gases help industry and manufacturers increase their efficiency and productivity by using less energy and optimizing their processes. Our products can improve productivity, energy efficiency, and pollution in steel foundries with the use of oxygen. Pulverized coal is injected into blast furnaces using nitrogen. Stainless steel is manufactured using argon.
Cutting and welding are integral to metal fabrication, and new processes centered around pure gases allow for more sophisticated materials and thinner sheet metal. Gases are used to produce cleaner energy sources. Hydrogen is used in refineries to remove sulfur and other contaminants from fuels, reducing vehicle emissions.
Air Liquide is constantly reinventing its business while anticipating the future needs. More than a third of our business is from technologies that did not exist 10 years ago. Hydrogen, for example, is also used to power fuel cell buses and cars with zero emissions and nothing more than a few drops of water.
What new processes lie just over the horizon?
At Air Liquide, our activities lie at the heart of the most important challenges facing the planet. Air Liquide is focused on innovative technologies and sustainable solutions that optimize the use of air and the planet's natural resources, both to enable progress and to preserve life.